Hi guys, welcome to Kelo TV where we teach how to create a website, how to create a game, not only to create but also to show you how to monetize the game or the app or the application and to make money with it. So if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos updates. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a news website. As you can see on the screen, this is how the website look like. I'm going to show you. You don't need much knowledge about web design to have a blog website or a news website or a magazine website like this one. So as you can see, this particular blog, you can see the category of what the site is all about is food, photography, health, beauty, fashion. So you can add more pages like sports and much more, celebrities and much more. Okay, so here you can see this is how the design look like, very beautiful design. And at the end of it, you're going to monetize your website after you have gotten traffic. So you can see this is how the design look like. Here you can see subcategories, beauty, fashion. Here you can see how it's displayed. Here you can see explainers. You can see beautiful design. It has two sections, left and right. Here you can see how it looks like. Here is fixed a sidebar for now. Once you go down, it moves. Here you can see uh, how this one is very interesting. You can see beautiful design. You can see how it looks. Here you can see latest updates. You can see how the website look like. So we're going to create this website together. Make sure you stay from beginning to the end so that you not miss some part of the video. And if you want to create and you may be missing a lot, so watch it to the end so that you going to have an idea on how this works. Okay, so here if I go up, let's try to open one of the posts and see how it looks like. So you can see the post is opening. So here we're going to see the header, that is the post title. Here you can see it also show the a short post title. Here you can see the image. Here you can see some images. Here you can see related post under the one we viewed. So here you can see this is how this website is created. So to create this type of website, you need two things here. Let's say you need two things. As we all know, if you're a beginner, you need to know first to get started, you need a domain and hosting. And domain and hosting is a is a server where all the files of the site is stored, like these images that you're seeing from here. All the post is stored in a server. So you need to pay for the hosting and also the domain. The domain is just the name of the your website, just like a shop. That is the name of the shop. So that is here you can see this name. This will serve as my domain name. So that is what the domain is, like facebook.com, google.com, youtube.com, name it, all kind of sites that you see as .com, .ng, .io, all is domain name. Okay, so to get the domain name, you need to go any a web server provider. You can check it out. So here you can see we need the hosting server for which to host our site. So first of all, you need to create an account. So I'm going to make this website with this free Infinity free website so that we use it for this tutorial. So here we need to, I have an account here. If you also want to do the same training, you want to see how this website works, you need to create an account here. You have access to get a free domain and hosting. Buy a domain and hosting for yourself and host your own uh, news website. That is, if you know how to create the content about the news website, then you are good to go with this idea. Okay, so here I click login. So going to login, and you're going to see my account. As you can see, I have logged in already. So if you're creating this website with this Infinity free website, make sure uh, you go to where it says create after you have logged in successfully. Where it says create account. So you're going to create a new site. It's going to ask you to put your site name. So let me show you how that can be done. So here you can see it's asking if we want to go with the free plan or a starter plan or super plan or ultimate premium plan. So here you can see we can go with the free plan, but you can see the free, there's some things that you cannot do. So here we go. Now we need to verify. We just wait for a minute. It's going to load. We need to verify. I'm a human, so to verify, so you can see the capture results are loading for me to. So you can do the same example of the site I'm going to show you here. With this particular website, you can do the same thing. As I said before, you can go ahead to create your own news website. So you can see it's still verifying before we're going to go ahead, and so let's wait. Okay, make sure you watch the video to the end for you to know how to create this website for free. Welcome to the building. How are you doing? Oh, maybe it's my network. Oh, I don't know why sometimes my network behave this way. So how are you doing? I didn't hear. Can you hear me? So as you can see, I'm verified. So here you can write the name of the site. That is your domain name. Maybe news whatever you want to name it. 247 example. So here you can select the extension because it's a free domain. So you can go ahead and select which of the extension you want to go with. So if you're buying a new domain, you can go with anyhow extension. You can select the one you want, maybe .com, .ng, .io, whatsoever, or this one, it's free domain, so you can select each of these extensions that is given to us. So here I go with free.nf, and here we're going to check the availability. So here you can see I need to select here you can select your server UID, that is your cPanel password. So for me, I will leave it as it is. So here we go to email consent, and I'm going to say approve, and here you're going to click create, and while we wait to see what happened. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading, and it's going to take us to the, as you can see, it's going to, okay, so it's asking us to save or not. So let me save, and let's wait for, so as it's going to take 24 hours for the, for here you can see it's going to take 72 hours for the new domain to be visible everywhere due to DNS caching please you need to control panel once the enable all features. So at this moment, you can see there's notice here. You need to wait after 72 hours. You can come back. You see your site is activated with this platform. But if you're paying for a new domain and hosting, is going to take you 24 hours for the link up of the server and the domain name, especially if the domain name is different from maybe you bought the domain name from different web server. I mean the domain provider, and you host it with another server, so it's going to take time to approve. So but if you're buying from the same server, it's going to be quick for you to get access to the control panel as the moment you pay for the server. Okay, so here you can see, I hope you can hear me very clearly. Some people are complaining about my internet, so sorry for this video is going to be quick. So as you can see, we have our accounts here, so we need to go to the one which we want to work with. Yeah, so I need to go to the main so here you can see it's still loading. I think maybe for the okay, so here you can see this is my domain name. I hosted here for free. So let's go with this while we're going to install this together. So I'm going to go to, let's go to script installer. That is where we're going to install going to install our script. Going to install the script together. And here you can see this is our, you can see this is the way we're going to so here you can see this is where we're going to install our WordPress for the installation. And here you're going to click on install, and here you're going to do the same thing, and here you leave it leave this blank, don't put anything. If there's anything, if you're installing, make sure you remove this. So here you put the name of the website, maybe news broadcast, and here you name it the description. Make sure you put all the correct description. So here you can put the admin password, and here you can put the admin email ID. Here you can put the admin username as well. So after you put all this after you did all these settings, then you can click install. While you wait, your installation will be done. Okay, there's an error. Oh, because it has been installed already. Okay, so now we go back. It has been installed. Once you do the settings and you click install, your WordPress will be installed automatically into this into our server. So here you can see it's installed, and let's go in. Here you're going to go here. It's going to log us automatically into the account. So here you can see it's installed. So once it's installed, you need to come to where it says theme. This is where we're going to install the theme of our website. Oh, I'm not sharing. Okay, so here I have okay, here you can see the name of the theme that we're using. So from here we're going to so you can see from here we're going to you can see we're going to you can see the name of the the name of the theme, that is hyper news, so you can look for it. So you click on it and you install it. Once it's installed, make sure you activate. After you activate, you'll be required to install some automatic, as in the theme plugins. Here you can see which I have installed. So it's going to ask you to install the same thing. Once that's done, here you come. This is where we're going to import the demo content, so that is going to make it so easier for you to go with the design of the layout of the site. Okay, so here you can see you're going to see the here you can see where it says you can download for you to download. Let me show you. So it's going to ask you to download the demo content. Okay, from here you can see okay, you can see the instruction, and looking for the demo content, import demo content. Here you can see, so here you can download, and it's going to give you the demo content, and which I have, and I don't need to download again. So here I go to upload all the demo content. You can see the demo content are only for these three different the content and the widget, and also the data. So here I'm going to open where I have download. Here you can see the contents you upload, and here you can see the widget. Here you can see the widget. Here you can install upload, and here you can upload the same thing. And after uploading everything, you need to go down here where it says import. Okay, so once it's import, you can see automatically is importing. You can see it's done, and here is asking us to visit the website. So once you click, it's loading. Let's see how the website will look like. So that is how to create this simple news website. Here you can see the design, the same thing with the first one I show. So that is how to create this website. So very interesting website. So I hope you learn something new. If you have any question, please kindly ask. I'm always here to help, always to guide, always to give you the tips and guidance. Well, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.